In view of the statement by the learned standing council that the rules for conducting election to the council will be framed within 12 months. The PIL petition is disposed of by directing the council to frame the rules for conducting the election in exercise of its power under paragraph 2, subparagraph 7 of the 6th schedule within the period of 6 months from the date of this order. The respondent in the PIL are agreeing to such proposal of the KAAC and accordingly do not oppose the direction. Oppose undelo na chekroidon lo kusila da tok daglo. His Excellency the Governor of Assam Governor mada na chekroidon. The High Court order tok dara pita meli tum rada phana pachu bai bangke Governor na kroidon de APHLC tum ke thana pachu bai alampu. Jong si APHLC tum ke thana pachu bai alampu lo tangte High Court order daksido ho. Mobile chewan na dang na tuli no ho. Daksido. Lasi ile tum APHLC pe na ke mangel halo 1969 na ningkan kapachiro ipita handbrake long le tik ile tum kache song tonte hini abangke 6 schedule to the Constitution of India teng pen paragraph 20 teng lapen paragraph 2 subparagraph 7 teng pen ang tamen ke bang ke de ke chia tum phan long le pota cancel se tik lapen ke wotale sana men than tik ile tum kache song tonte lahela tum ke mangke ini lan than ben sini lam ten tong dong lo kadong
Choro parpik lo, ilkom pan aron alam na than pon pot, kasi nona bangke kadok obeta kamang hudunji buke ali.